Hello guys, this is Shreya and I welcome you in my channel Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, I have got a comment from King Entertainment. He asked me to make a video on how to work from home. Guys, I think it is not only his question, I think it is the question of most of the people in the country that how to work from home and how to generate income by working from home. So guys, my today's video is not only for King Entertainment, it is for everybody who wants to work from his home during this situation of lockdown and generate some income for himself and for his families. So guys, firstly I would like to tell you that there are three kind of people. First are those people who are doing government jobs, and second are those people who are doing private jobs, and thirdly guys are those people who are doing labor jobs. So firstly we would like to tell you about government job people who are doing government jobs. So guys, they will get their salaries as before as now, because guys government has announced that it will provide salaries to them. Their salaries will not be stopped, so they don't have any problem and there is no matter of concern in front of them. So guys, now we come to private job people who are doing private jobs. There is a big matter of concern in front of them, because guys many people have lost their jobs because of this situation of lockdown, because their employer is not eligible to pay to them because he is not getting projects. So how he will pay to them, how he will provide salaries to them? And if some employer is eligible to pay salaries to his employee, he doesn't have any desire to pay to them because he wants to save his money. So what those people will do, how they will get their income, what they will do? So guys, I have brought a solution for you that how you can work from your home without your employer. Apart from your job, how you can work from your home and gain some income for yourself. So guys, I would like to tell you that what you have to do. Firstly, I want to tell you that what you are doing now, I think you might be wasting most of the time in doing and in taking some tensions regarding what I will do. I have lost my job. I am not gaining any income. What I will do? How I will survive? How I will fulfill the needs of my family? These are your tensions, and I think you waste most of your time in taking these kind of tensions. Right guys? Am I right? So guys, secondly what you do, you waste most of your time in chatting on social media, on Facebook, Instagram and all these social media channels. You waste your most of the time and do nothing. But guys, today I will tell you that how you can generate your income from Facebook, how you can bring some projects from Facebook. I will tell you everything. You only have to do work, you only have to implement that, and believe me guys, you will definitely be able to gain some income from your Facebook. And guys, if you want to know, be with us till the end of the video. Please guys, don't take it as fake and believe me, and please be with us till the end of the video, and then you will see that then you decide that what you have to do. You want to work or you don't want to work, but I think you can try if you are free, right? So guys, what you have to do is, firstly you have to join some Facebook groups, some groups of digital marketing, some groups on which jobs are posted, and some groups like which are of your interest, which are of your job's interest in which you can work. Right guys? So firstly you have to join those groups. Like you can join digital marketing group. You can work on digital marketing. It is the best field guys. If you have the knowledge of digital marketing in these days, it is the best field, because you can do work from your home very easily by doing digital marketing. What you have to do guys, firstly you have to do, join the groups related to digital marketing. You can join groups related to content writing. You can join groups relating to website designing. Anything you can join, but you have to join first. Now what you will see there will be some posts like need website designer, need logo designer, need content writer, urgent need of website designer, I have the need of social media specialist, I need digital marketing specialist. You will see all those kind of posts there. So what you have to do after seeing those kind of posts, what you have to do, guys, you have to do one thing, like you have to comment on those posts. You have to send your proposal by the comment to the post on that comment. I mean, you have to post your comment on that post. After that, guys, you will see the result. You can't say that you will get the project by doing comment on only one post or two three posts. It is not so. When you will do comment on 25 to 30 posts, it may happen that you will get one post, I mean one project. When you will do comment on 20 to 30 and even I think 50 posts, then you will get one project. So guys, it is little hard, but it is better than wasting your time. Right guys, you have to keep patience. And I think if you can waste your time on chatting with anybody else and watching some videos, it is better than that, right? And when you will do these kind of comments, then you will see the result after some days. It may be after 2-3 days you will get the reply from those people. So guys, how you have to comment on those posts? How you have to comment? You can't do a simple comment. You can't send a simple proposal. Yeah, that I have the need, I can do your work. You can't send the proposal like that. You have to write a very professional proposal. How you will write that? Guys, I will tell you that how you can write that proposal. I will give the text in the description that how you can write that proposal. How can you write proposal for your job on that post? So guys, when you will do proposal like that, there becomes much more chances of getting that project for yourself. And after that guys, when you will do commenting, what you have to do is, if you know Hindi, if you know only Hindi, then you can target Indian people. You can target only Indian people because they know Hindi. But if you know English as well, then what you can do, you can also target foreigners for these digital marketing and any kind of projects what you can do online. You can target foreigners also, because guys, there is lockdown and there is complete lockdown in our country, but every country is not facing lockdown. And if anybody is facing lockdown also, then they might have some need of website designing, they might have need of logo designing, content writing. It is the most desired job, content writing, because everybody has the need of content writer for their website, for their blogs. So they have the need of content writer. I am telling you a simple job what you can do, but there are many kinds of job what you can do, but you only have to wait and you have to put some hard work for that. And guys, then you see, you can also send some mails to those people who has the need to do some project works, like you who has the need to social media optimization, who has the need of social media marketing specialist. You can join those people also. You can send mail to them, and I will also give the text in the description that how you can send mail to those people. So guys, please see the description, see the text in the description and follow that. And guys, how you can do that? If someone has laptop, then it is very easy for him to do work, right? But if anybody has only mobile and he doesn't have any laptop or desktop, what he will do? It is a problem for them. He will think it is not for me. How I can work? I don't have laptop, I don't have desktop. What I will do? How I will do my work? So guys, I want to tell you that what you can do, you can send that comment also. What I have sent to you, I have given in the description. You can send that comment to those people who has the desire of who has the need of a person who can do his work. You can send the comment to those people what I have given in the description. And after that, what you have to do, you have to give those projects what you will get. You have the need to give those projects to those people who has the laptop or desktop, who can do their work, right guys? Now what benefit you will get from there? If he will do the work, if he will do the project, what you will get? You can take the commission from him, right guys? You can take the commission from him by doing that work, right? You can't do the work, but you can provide the work to anybody else who can do, right? And you will get the commission. Your income will be generated. At least you will gain some income, which is better than gaining nothing, right guys? It is better than gaining nothing to get some income. So you can do that. Now guys, how you will find that person who can do that work? Some people might be there who don't have anybody, and there is nobody in their knowledge who can do that work, who has the laptop, who has the desktop. Then what he can do? Guys, you can come to us. Why don't become a chain? We can become a chain, right? I would like to tell you that there is the success in the unity. If we will be unite, then we will get success, right? There is no benefit of mine, guys. I'm not saying it at all for my benefit. I am saying everything for your benefit. There is only your benefit. What you have to do, you can come to us. If anybody has laptop or desktop and doesn't know how to work, I told you that you can work on digital marketing, you can do work on website designing, all these. But what will happen if anybody don't know how to do work? He can come to us, he can ask us, he can take us help, he can take our help. Our whole team is there to help you guys. We will help you definitely. If you need, you ask for us for our help, we will definitely help you. And we will tell you everything, that how you can bring projects, how you can bring some works for yourself from our country and from foreigners also. We will tell you everything, and we will also teach you that how you can do that work. How we will teach you? We can teach you on TeamViewer, or we can teach you on AnyDesk. These are the softwares by which we can connect through our computer. You can see what is happening in my computer, and I can see what is happening in your computer. So by those we can teach you that how you have to do your work if you have laptop or desktop. And what about those people who have only their mobile phones, who don't have the laptop and desktop? Why, guys, why don't become a chain? We can become a chain, and there is success in the unity. So guys, we all will work together, then we will work very effectively, and we will definitely be succeed. It will be very helpful for everybody if everybody will gain his income, right guys? So please come to us. You tell about those projects to us. If you don't have anybody who can do your work, whatever work you are getting, you come to us. You provide those projects to us. We will give those projects to those people who can do that work, who has the need to do work. And if you don't believe on us, we don't say that you believe on us. We will make you to contact with those people who can do your work, right guys? So you can contact those people by our help, who are able to work, who has a laptop and desktop. And when we all will become a chain, then it will be very helpful for all of us to do the work from home and generate some income by working from home. Okay guys, so if you like my video, then please press the like button, And if you have any queries related to this work, then please ask us in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. We will definitely help you. And guys, if you want to get the latest video updates of our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.